Understanding of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, specifically people, animals, or things. They refer to someone or something that is already known, either from earlier in the conversation or from context. They are categorized based on the person first, second, third, the numbers singular, plural, the case subjective, objective, possessive. Personal pronouns make our speech and writing smoother. They remove the need for constant repetition, making conversations more efficient and natural. Here's a quick comparison. Without pronouns, Emily has a dog. Emily walks Emily's dog every day. With pronouns, Emily has a dog. She walks her dog every day. It's easy to see how important these little words are in everyday conversation. 3 types of personal pronouns. Subjective personal pronouns. Subjective personal pronouns are the ones doing the action in a sentence. They serve as the subject, meaning they come before the verb and tell us who or what is performing the action. These pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Let's see how they work. I am learning English. You look great today. He is playing football. She writes amazing poems. It makes a strange noise. We are going to the beach. They love Italian food. Each pronoun replaces a noun. For example, instead of saying Tom is tall, you say he is tall. Instead of Maria and I are tired, say we are tired. These pronouns are used every day in conversation and writing. They help us focus on the action, rather than repeating the noun. Subjective pronouns always match the verb in number and person. For example, he works hard, singular. They work hard, plural. Objective personal pronouns. Objective personal pronouns are used when the pronoun receives the action of the verb or follows a preposition. These pronouns include me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Let's look at a few examples. She called me last night. I sent the file to him. He looked at her and smiled. We found them in the park. Can you bring it to us? Objective pronouns often come after action verbs like see, find, tell, call, or after prepositions like to, for, with, at. For example, she told him the truth. The letter is for her. Here are some real, useful sentences that you might say in everyday life. Could you help me with this? I will send you the information. They invited us to dinner. He gave her a gift. The teacher spoke to them about the assignment. Possessive personal pronouns. Difference between possessive adjectives and pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. but there are two ways to express possession in English. Possessive adjectives used before nouns, and possessive pronouns used alone. Possessive adjectives before a noun: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Example: this is my book. Possessive pronouns stand alone: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example: this book is mine. Notice that mine stands alone and replaces my book. That is the key difference. Possessive adjectives need a noun. Possessive pronouns replace the noun. Sample sentences and use cases. Let's see both forms in action. Sentence with possessive adjective: this is my car. Sentence with possessive pronoun: this car is mine. Sentence with possessive adjective: is that your phone? Sentence with possessive pronoun: is that phone yours? Sentence with possessive adjective: that is his jacket. Sentence with possessive pronoun: that jacket is his. Sentence with possessive adjective: our team won. Sentence with possessive pronoun: the winning team was ours. Sentence with possessive adjective: it is their house. Sentence with possessive pronoun: the house is theirs. These forms help express belonging clearly. Just remember, if a noun follows, use an adjective: my book. If the noun is not repeated, use a pronoun: mine. Sample sentences of all personal pronouns. Below are examples grouped by pronoun, showing different sentence uses. Sentences using I, me, my, mine. I am learning English. She called me last night. That's my bag on the table. The red car is mine. Sentences using you, your, yours. You are a great friend. I made this for you. Is this your umbrella? That seat is yours. Sentences using he, him, his. He goes to the gym daily. I saw him at the station. This is his phone. The blue jacket is his. Sentences using she, her, hers. She is reading a book. I met her in the library. That's her notebook. The purple purse is hers. Sentences using it, its. It is raining outside. The cat licked its paw. I like this phone. It works fast. Sentences using we, us, our, ours. We are planning a trip. They invited us to dinner. Our house is near the park. That bicycle is ours. Sentences using they, them, their, theirs. They are coming over tonight. We helped them move. This is their apartment. Those books are theirs. Practicing these sentences repeatedly can make your brain naturally choose the right pronoun in real conversation. Table of personal pronouns. This table is your quick reference guide to using personal pronouns correctly in any situation. Mastering personal pronouns is like unlocking a cheat code for fluent English. They may seem small and simple, but they play a big role in how natural and clear your communication sounds. Whether you are using I as a subject, me as an object, or mine to show possession, every type of personal pronoun has a specific job. Start with learning the three main types: subjective, objective, and possessive, and practice their use in real-life sentences. Avoid common mistakes like mixing up subject and object forms or misusing possessives with apostrophes.